Female gaze. Most guys think looking attractive is just about muscles, height, or wearing the trendiest clothes. But the truth is, women notice way more than that. The female gaze is all about energy, confidence, aura, and subtle details that show you are a complete man, someone women want to be around naturally. In this video, I'm breaking down how to look attractive from a female perspective. These are habits, style choices, and small behaviors that make women notice you before you even say a word. And yes, this works for every guy, no matter your body type or face structure. So if you want to step up your glow up and start getting noticed, this guide is for you. Tip 1. Confidence over everything. Nothing makes a man more attractive than confidence, but not arrogance. Confidence is about how you carry yourself, how you walk, how you speak, and how comfortable you are in your own skin. A confident man doesn't need to brag or show off. Women can feel confidence instantly. The way you look at people, the way you hold your posture, and the calm energy you give off all show confidence. Practice standing tall, shoulders back, chest slightly out. Maintain eye contact when talking, and speak clearly without rushing your words. Confidence is magnetic, and it's the foundation of female attraction. Tip 2. Smell good and look clean. Women notice hygiene immediately. No matter how handsome you are, dirty hair, greasy skin, or bad odor instantly reduce attractiveness. Smelling fresh and looking well-groomed shows self-respect and attention to detail. It's simple. Shower daily, use deodorant, brush your teeth regularly, trim your nails, and keep your hair styled in a way that fits you. Even if you wear simple clothes, a clean and fresh appearance always wins over expensive outfits. Remember, the female gaze notices the little details. Your overall presentation matters more than brands or money. Tip 3. Dress for your body and style. You don't need expensive clothes. You need clothes that fit well and suit your body type. Ill-fitting clothes cheapen your look, but clothes that fit right instantly elevate your appearance. Pick clothes that make you look clean, sharp, and confident. Colors that suit your skin tone, and outfits that match your personality. Avoid overdoing trends. Keep it simple but stylish. Layering properly and wearing clothes that hug your body in the right places shows effort without trying too hard. Women notice effort, even if subtly. Tip 4. Develop a strong aura. Aura is the energy you give off. It's a vibe women subconsciously feel when they're around you. Calm, collected energy with a hint of mystery draws attention. Do not be loud for no reason. Keep your composure, even in group settings. Be aware of your body language. Small gestures, your smile, your gaze, your movements, all contribute to your aura. Avoid fidgeting or over-explaining yourself. The female gaze picks up on men who seem in control of themselves and their environment. Aura is invisible, but extremely powerful. Tip 5. Master subtle body language. Your body communicates before you speak. Small things like leaning slightly forward when talking, showing open posture, not crossing your arms, relaxed hands, and strong eye contact all signal confidence and openness. Women notice these signals more than direct compliments or pickup lines. Subtle body language makes you look approachable yet intriguing. Avoid overdoing gestures or appearing nervous. These small nonverbal cues are a huge part of the female gaze. They make women feel drawn to you without you even trying. Tip 6. Work on your voice and tone. Your voice is part of your first impression. A calm, deep, clear tone is more attractive than shouting or rushing your words. Avoid high-pitched, nervous tones or monotone speech. Practice speaking slowly, clearly, and with purpose. Pause naturally while talking. It makes you sound confident and interesting. Women notice vocal energy. It communicates maturity and control. Even small adjustments in how you speak can change how women perceive you drastically. Your voice can make your presence feel stronger without changing your appearance. Tip 7. Smile and express emotion naturally. A genuine smile shows warmth, confidence, and approachability. Fake or forced smiles are easy to notice. Women pick up on authenticity instantly. Smile when it's natural, make eye contact while smiling, and avoid trying too hard to be charming. Let your emotions flow subtly. Being expressive in a calm, confident way is attractive. It shows you are comfortable in your skin and emotionally aware. Women are drawn to men who can show controlled emotions in a natural way. This is more powerful than any pickup line or joke. Tip 8. Maintain personal space and respect. Part of the female gaze is being aware of boundaries. Women notice when a man respects their space, even unconsciously. Don't invade personal space with unnecessary touch. Keep gestures polite. Avoid hovering or staring too much. Being calm, patient, and respectful makes you appear confident and mature. A man who understands boundaries without overthinking it radiates strength and self-control. Women notice this energy, and it makes them feel safe and intrigued naturally. Tip 9. Be interesting and passionate. Women notice a man who has interests, goals, and passions. Even small hobbies or projects matter. It shows depth and confidence. A man who is fully engaged in life is more attractive than someone who tries too hard to impress. Being interesting is more about authenticity than exaggeration. Share your passions naturally, and don't be afraid to talk about what excites you in a confident way. Curiosity and enthusiasm are attractive. They make women want to spend more time around you because your energy is stimulating. Tip 10. Grooming details women notice. Small grooming details add up massively. Things like trimmed facial hair, clean nails, soft hands, tidy eyebrows, hydrated skin, and even smelling good signal effort and self-care. Women subconsciously register these details. Your hair should be styled, beard trimmed or neat, shoes clean, clothes ironed. Small things like these make a huge difference. It's not about perfection. It's about showing that you respect yourself and your appearance. Women notice this, and it makes you instantly more attractive without changing your face or body. Tip 11. Be socially aware and kind. Women notice how you treat others. Your behavior with friends, strangers, and staff shows your character. Being socially aware, polite, and kind makes you instantly more attractive. A man who can navigate social situations smoothly shows maturity and confidence. This is part of the female gaze. Your actions and how you carry yourself socially influence how women perceive you. Just being aware, calm, and kind raises your attractiveness way more than flashy gestures or showing off. Tip 12. Confidence in your uniqueness. Finally, women notice men who are comfortable in their own skin. Men who embrace their quirks, style, interests, and personality confidently are magnetic. Try and fit a mold or copying others rarely works. Instead, find what makes you unique and amplify it without arrogance. Your uniqueness, combined with confidence, creates a powerful magnetic effect. The female gaze is drawn to authenticity more than perfection. A man who knows himself and owns it naturally becomes attractive in every setting. So that's it for today's video. These are the habits, behaviors, and small details that make a man attractive from a female perspective. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll notice women noticing you in ways you didn't expect. I'll see you in the next one. Stay confident, stay sharp, and keep glowing with Glow Mode.